Never fry eggs directly in oil again. Today I'm going to share with you a really clever way to fry eggs. You'll get them soft and fluffy, without burning, and with yolks as perfect as those in a restaurant. The best part is that this method is completely inexpensive, healthy, and the results are sure to surprise you. First, I prepare 3 fresh eggs. Then, I pour about 30 to 40 milliliters of water into a non-stick pan, just enough to form a thin layer on the bottom, just enough so that when heated, it creates steam, helping the eggs cook slowly and retain their tenderness and a beautiful runny yolk. When small bubbles appear in the water, I gently pour each egg into the pan, moving slowly to ensure the yolks don't break and the eggs don't stick together. Then, I cover the pan and cook for about 1 minute. The steam trapped inside helps the whites set quickly, while the yolks remain soft and smooth. After about a minute, open the lid and check the eggs. You'll see the whites are evenly cooked without burning at the edges, and the yolks remain soft and smooth. At this point, I use a flat spoon to gently lift the eggs out and place them on a plate. Since no oil is used, the eggs retain their natural, light flavor, perfect for a healthy, nutritious breakfast. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Eggs and rice. To start, I prepare about 100 grams of cooked rice. Next, I crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Then gently separate the 3 yolks into separate small bowls to use later. I pour the egg whites into the bowl of rice. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper, and use a spoon to mix well so the rice absorbs the seasoning. Setting that aside for now, I finely chop 1/4 of 2 bell peppers in different colors to make the dish more visually appealing. Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers, are packed with nutrients. They're rich in vitamins C and A, along with powerful antioxidants that help boost your immune system, improve your eyesight, and keep your skin healthy and glowing. They also support heart health, aid in weight loss, thanks to their low calorie content, and promote better digestion with their high fiber. Plus, regular consumption of bell peppers may help reduce the risk of certain diseases, including cancer. They're also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you enjoy them raw in fresh salads, sautéed in stir-fries, or roasted for a deeper, sweeter flavor, bell peppers add both color and nutrition to any dish. With their crisp texture and naturally sweet taste, they're a perfect ingredient for quick, healthy meals that are as delicious as they are good for you. I add the chopped bell peppers to the bowl of rice. Next, I finely chop half an onion. Onions are a nutrient-rich ingredient packed with vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and chromium. They're also loaded with powerful antioxidants like quercetin, along with sulfur compounds that provide a range of health benefits. They help support heart health, lower cholesterol levels, and regulate blood sugar. Onions also have anti-inflammatory properties, promote stronger bones, and aid digestion, making them a simple yet powerful addition to your everyday cooking. Add the onions into the bowl, then mix them with the other ingredients. Do you have any sausages or ham in your fridge? Take them out, chop them into small pieces, and add them to the dish to enhance the flavor. Next, I finely chop some green onions and add them to the bowl. Now, I mix all the ingredients thoroughly so they blend well. To shape the dish as easily as possible, I use a small bowl, scoop a portion of the rice mixture into the bowl, and press it down gently to compact it. Next, I prepared a pan, poured some oil into it, and spread it around the pan. Then, I invert the bowl onto the pan. I repeat the process with the remaining 2 portions of rice. And use a spoon to gently press down the center of the rice, and there you go, I've successfully shaped it. Once shaped, I place an egg yolk in the center of each rice portion. I cover the pan and cook over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until the eggs are just set. Next, I sprinkle a little sesame seed on top to enhance the aroma. I cover the pan and cook over low heat. When you open the lid, you'll see a soft, creamy yolk nestled perfectly between layers of fragrant golden rice. It looks absolutely delicious. I took it out onto a plate and enjoyed it while it was still hot. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Tip 3. Eggs and bread. To start this dish, I prepare 2 slices of bread, cut each slice in half, and make a diagonal cut in each piece. Next, I take a bowl and crack 4 eggs into it. I add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to enhance the flavor. Then use a spoon to whisk the mixture until the eggs are well combined and smooth. Now I place a skillet on the stove and lightly coat the surface with oil. Once the skillet is hot, I arrange the bread slices in the skillet Slowly pour the egg mixture over them, spreading it evenly across the surface so the eggs seep into the cracks of the bread. I cover the skillet and cook over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until the eggs underneath are set and adhere to the bread. Once the bottom is golden brown, I gently flip the dish so the other side cooks evenly. At this point, I sprinkle a layer of cheese on top. Add a layer of ham. Then cover with another layer of cheese to make the dish richer and more appealing. Then cover the pan and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes over low heat. When the cheese begins to melt and blend with the other ingredients, the dish is ready. Let's cut into the sandwich and enjoy this incredibly simple yet unbelievably delicious dish together. So today, we've worked together to make some really interesting and simple dishes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.